Is minting the NFT the magic word for success?
Prepare for launch. 3, 2, 1.
My answer, probably you guess it from whatever I have just said. It's not. Now, after you mint your NFT, what you have to do? There's a lot. Minting NFT is just the start. There's many more things that you have to do. So first, you need to start to promote your project, to let people know that like you're going out there. Now, the best way for so far to start to create tractions for the NFT is not just by creating one, just like what Chuck did, 200 over of this MP as an NFT. So people have something to choose from the same category. So that have a reason for people to go and buy it. Of course, this is in terms of the gaming or a series of this collectibles. But if you are really like an artist that you paint art, that is a different story. But even as an artist, some artists would have a series of their painting as well. That like this series I paint, like for example, Lily. They have a series of them, and then people want to collect. Sometimes they want to collect the whole series of it, right? And you need to have a community that support your project, to talk about the project, to create activities for it. And you need to have networking. You need to know people out there who are in a certain community and who can be, you kind of work together to create some event so that your NFT is visible and create some like activities. And the next one, just now I've mentioned also, whether your NFT actually have a utility. You can use it for a certain, like use it in a game, use it as a ticket into an event. And one more thing that I just want to reiterate it is, in case your NFT come with the IP or the display right or distributions right for the derivatives, it's good for you to have a lawyer to draft out the contract as well. So, what it takes to be successful in this field actually. Now, remember some of the example of the NFT I have shown earlier on? Learning from them, I have come up with these few things. First, consistency. Now, Bieber sold his artwork for almost 70 million for these combinations of 5,000 digital art. It is because he did this, right? Every single day, one piece of this art for the past almost 13 years. And the person who bought it is someone based out of Singapore. Say that why he bought this is not only about the artwork, it is the consistency, the persistency he see in this artist, and he wants to support him. And it is the message behind this art that he resonates with and he buys it. So it's just like in any of the art. So some art collector pay top dollar for their art because of certain story behind the art. And sometimes they don't even hang it up. They just put it in their store. So it's the same concept behind it here. Exposure. Like Charlie Bit My Finger video clip has been viewed more than 1 billion times over in the YouTube. Novelty. Like the CryptoPunk, the first one. New. Anything new idea people would, any new idea is worth something. So that is one of the reasons also. And fourth, be the first one, like Jack Dorsey, first tweet ever. Be innovative, like the CryptoKitty. How CryptoKitty works. It's a game actually. It's not only an NFT. CryptoKitty is a game where two cats can make and create a new one. So it's kind of quite innovative in 2017. And your message behind it, like Red Honey, meme dollar, meme bank, notes, plate, the message she want to brought up is talking about like quantitative easing and people printing money. So that's the message behind her artwork. And the household name like NBA. Now, even though Louis Vuitton or like Philippe Patek, if they want to create an NFT to track their product, yeah, people would buy that because they already have that kind of name. And well, just do it. Like the neon cat. The person created just to sell it for charity, but it becomes so popular. You never know that, like, you know, your NFT will be the next big thing. Because sometimes you don't see something in yourself, but somebody else sees it. And this is just something I would like to share with you as a creator. Sometimes we think people buy our work because of our work only, but sometimes people want to buy your work and because they want to support you, because they want to know your the life that you go through, your experience, and that is what attract them to you, and they willing to part with their money. So don't be afraid to share your story with your fans. They want to know it.